All right, let's get started. The first step is to prepare the cheddar cheese. You'll need a cutting board and a kitchen knife. Finely chop the cheddar. That's it for preparations. The next step is to boil the macaroni. You'll need a saucepan and a sieve. Bring some water to a boil in the saucepan. Add some salt and boil the macaroni. Remove the pan from the heat and strain the macaroni using the sieve. Now it's time to make the sauce. You'll need a saucepan. Put the saucepan over low heat. Add the butter and melt. Add the flour and sauté it, but don't let it brown. Next, add the milk a little at a time while stirring. Once the mixture has thickened, turn off the heat. Add the cheddar to the sauce while it's still hot. Stir the sauce quickly to melt in the cheddar. Season to taste with pinches of salt and pepper. Now add the cooked macaroni, thoroughly mixing it into the sauce. Finally, transfer to serving dishes. It's ready to eat. Well done!